Hello everyone, here's a magic card trick tutorial that if you're just starting out in magic, it's perfect for you because it requires little to no skill and it's a basic principle that's used in a variety of different card tricks. So if you're just starting out, this one's for you. This is the Circus card trick. You have a regular deck of cards, no setup, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, don't show you, and you take their card and just lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck of cards. Okay, I'll show you what their card is. I don't see it, I have no idea what it is. Lose it in the middle of the deck of cards, just so it's gone. Okay, now I'm gonna turn over a bunch of cards and I'm gonna ask the spectator that I'm gonna bet them. I'm gonna say, okay, now I bet you that the next card that I turn over will be your card. Would you like to take that bet? And you can bet them anything you want. And they'll say, yeah, of course I'll take that bet. And you say, okay, the next card I turn over is gonna be your card. Let's see here, was your card the 3 of diamonds? And you win the bet, and that's their card, okay? And that's the Circus card trick. Now, before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the channel members too. Thank you for all your support. And if you're looking to become a channel member, you can do that all through that YouTube link below, okay? Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, Circus card trick. Now for the tutorial. It's really nice and easy. It's a great beginner card trick because it just uses the key card principle. Now the key card principle is just remembering what the card is on the bottom of the deck. Now in this case, it's the ace of clubs. You have a regular deck of cards. I've glanced at the ace of clubs and I'm going to keep the ace of clubs at the bottom of the deck just by shuffling that stack first. Every single time that I shuffle, I'm always shuffling that stack first, so I'm keeping the bottom card, the ace of clubs, okay? That way I don't have to peek at it again. Now, I know the bottom card's the ace of clubs, so you have a spectator select any card that they like. If they pick the bottom card, they pick the ace of clubs, you know what card they've picked. Let's say they pick a card right here, you pick up the deck, still maintaining the ace of clubs on the bottom, shuffle as many times as you like, as long as you're keeping that ace of clubs on the bottom. Now, you can take their card, place it on top of the deck, and then just give the deck a simple cut, which will place the ace of clubs on top of their card, or you can do what I did, was just by doing a simple move called the Hindu shuffle, where you're just taking cards off the top of the deck, dropping them in your hand, and then just repeating this over and over and over again. This is a simple Hindu shuffle. It's used for the Hindu shuffle force, and you're maintaining the bottom card, the ace of clubs, okay? So you're just taking top cards off, dropping them in your hand. Have them place their card at any point where you stop, so you can have a few cards in your hand, and then drop this card on top of that. Now you know the ace of clubs is gonna be right next to their card, the 2 of hearts. When you're in this position already set, you can cut the cards, just simple cuts, take cards off the top, place them on the bottom, over and over and over again as many times as you want. It doesn't ruin the order of the cards. You can also do a sloppy false shuffle at this point, or any kind of false shuffle or false cut move you want, but if you just do simple cuts, that maintains the order of their cards. Now you're gonna turn over cards and you're looking for that ace of clubs. So when you get to the ace of clubs, you know that the next card will be their card. So that depends where the ace of clubs did end up, but it should be somewhere in this deck. There it is, there's their card. Now you know their card's the 2 of hearts because you know it's next to the ace of clubs. Turn over a few more cards, and then that's when you bet the person, because it's kind of a gag. They see that their card's already turned face up, they're gonna bet you because they think you're gonna turn this next card over and it's gonna be their card. You say, I'll bet you whatever you wanna bet. The next card I turn over will be your card. They say, okay, I'll take that bet. Then you go and turn the card right next to the key card that you saw, which in this case was the ace of clubs, turn it over, and then drop the rest of the cards, and the trick's done because there's no setup involved. You have a regular deck of cards, and you can go on and do more tricks after this one, okay? And that's the Circus card trick, and it's pretty easy to do, and if you're just starting off in magic, especially card magic, it's a good first, couple tricks to learn in your repertoire, and it does fool people because they get to bet, and they've seen their card, and it's fun. Okay, so let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and until next time.